Today we're presenting DAX40 Index EA V1.0 MT4, an advanced expert advisor created by YoForex Premium, specially designed for trading the German DAX40. This bot uses smart volatility detection and trend logic to capture precise entries while maintaining a controlled risk trading structure. It's built for traders who want reliability, stability, and consistent automated performance on the MetaTrader 4 platform. After downloading the EA, open the folder and you'll find the EX4 file, installation guide, and README file. Copy the EX4 file into your MetaTrader 4 experts directory, restart your terminal, and attach it to the DAX chart on the M5 time frame. Now let's look at the backtesting performance. We tested DAX40 Index EA V1.0 MT4 on the DAX40 Index M5 between August and October 2025, using a $10,000 initial deposit. The EA achieved a net profit of $655.43, with a profit factor of 1.90 and a maximum drawdown of only 3.75%. Throughout the test, it delivered steady equity growth and clean risk-to-reward ratios, executing short-term entries and exits with precision. This clearly shows the EA's ability to adapt to intraday volatility and generate consistent profits without using martingale or grid methods. To get your copy of DAX40 Index EA V1.0 MT4, join our YoForex Premium Telegram channel today. You'll receive the full set file, user manual, and installation support directly from our team. The original price was $375, but it's now available absolutely free for all YoForex members. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow YoForex Premium for more EA reviews and automated trading.